In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image. Now you can do this with your own images that you upload here in Canva, or with any images that you find here in Canva as well. And there's two different ways that we can go about this. Now both ways, unfortunately, does use Canva Pro. So please be aware you do need a Canva Pro account to use these features. But nonetheless, what we're going to do is come over to Elements. Let's go on to my recently used, and let's just use one of these. Let's go with this dog just here. Now what we're going to do is completely remove the background from this image. Now the first way is to simply click onto the image, come up to Edit Image just here, and then we can use Background Remover. And within a few seconds, as we can see, the background has been removed. Now another way to do this, let's go ahead and add that same image again. Let's just move that to there. Another way to do this is again, click onto your image, come up to Edit Image, but this time we're going to use Magic Grab. Now what this Magic Grab is going to do is completely grab this dog from this image, removing it from the background. So if we click on Magic Grab, we then have two different options with brush and click. Now with the brush, you can brush which part of the image you want it to grab. But with the click, we can simply click onto the part of the image, which is the dog. Then we can click on grab. We need to give this a few seconds, and then this is going to completely remove this from the background. Now let's just give this a few more seconds, just like that. And now if we move this over, we can see it's been completely removed from that background, and all we have to do is click onto the background because these are two separate images now. Then we can click delete, and now we have our image with the background removed. So that's just how easy it is to remove the background from an image here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.